In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off grayscale on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, 41mm or 45mm, this video is going to show you how you can exit the grayscale settings or how you can easily turn off grayscale on your Apple Watch. So if at the end of this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is just press the digital crown once to exit the clock face and go back to the app list. Then go ahead and click on settings. On settings, we just scroll down and tap accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, you want to scroll down as well until you get to color filters. Then go ahead and click on that. Once you select the color filters, to turn off or disable grayscale, just disable color filters, and this is going to disable color filters across the device. However, if you have option for maybe red and green filter, green and red filter, or blue and yellow filter, just come here and select it. And this is going to disable the grayscale on your Apple Watch. You see that? Now, to disable grayscale completely, disable color filter. So that's all you need to do to disable color filter on Apple Watch. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.